Welcome to another video. This is the mini Maverick camper version 1 that I built. Today we're going to weigh it with 2 scales to see how much it weighs. But first let me show you everything that's on it. So up top we've got 2 100-watt solar panels from EcoFlow. And in the back we do have the mounted diesel heater with box. And if we open up the door, this is what we've got inside. It's unloaded, so this is dry weight. We do have the LED light strips, the sky hatch, the 3 bed pieces, and we have the extra parts for the diesel heater. I just didn't finish mounting it because I'm missing 1 or 2 parts. So I'm gonna leave that in there to include in the weight to get an idea of what it would be. Then also we do have a few miscellaneous tools there that I use to undo the sky hatch. So pretty much this is unloaded dry weight of the camper. So that's everything that's on the inside. Let me just show to you that the camper is off both jacks on both sides. So all of the weight is sitting on the 2 scales. So if we look at this first weight, we've got about 153.5 pounds. And on the other scale, we are reading 140 roughly. So both of those combined is roughly 293 pounds, which very surprisingly, I just finished weighing the second version of this camper that I'm building. Let me give you a little glimpse of that right there. That's the second version. I just finished weighing that one and it was 292 pounds. So that is very interesting. They both weigh practically the same weight, but this one has 2 solar panels on it. Now on the other one, I did make it 3/4 of an inch wider for the full 4 feet width, and there might be a little bit extra wood. That surprised me because I thought this one was going to weigh more than the second version, especially because of the 2 solar panels on top. But that's okay. Now I've got a final total weight for both campers. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure you also like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.